All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another recap. Today is November 3rd. So, I just want to go over my trades and show you how I ended up today with the P&L. So, first, let me show you my watch list that I had this morning. So, just like any other day, I come to my desk and I open up trade ideas. Let's get that, come up here. Let it come up. All right, cool. So, let's look at the gappers, right? So that way I can show you what was on watch. So I was watching ALSK BBGI APVO was a bit expensive, but I had it on watch. And let's see what else. Well, JAKK was on watch. It was a bit expensive, but still I had it there. And I believe there was a couple other more which will go through my order book. So overall, those were the stocks I was watching. Just as you all know, today's election day, so the market was choppy for sure. So today I traded, ALSK, DDD, APVO, RIG, BBGI. So, again, definitely was choppy. I think I over traded today. So let me pull up the chart real quick. So let me go here, trading view. So if you come here to trading view for charting, I use this. As you can tell, ALSK was gapping up, right? Let me just clear out the charts real quick. Remove drawings. Okay, cool. So as you can see, ALSK, remove drawings. Okay, cool. ALSK obviously, it was gapping up, but no volume, right? Throughout the whole day. It's just this barcode pattern, right? Which really doesn't help us. This pretty much means it's just either it's low volume, which obviously it is. And what happened to my chart? Control Z. I don't know where the volume went. That's weird. Anyways, so yeah, obviously it was low volume here, right? Or algorithms are stepping in and out. The other one was BBGI. This one, it was gapping up, obviously made some move. But it was choppy over here, as you can tell by the wicks. And I think I had a couple breakouts around this area, which is, let me pull that up. BBGI, like getting in at like pretty much, for a 1 cent profit, just because I know it was very choppy, right? So like getting in at 188, getting out at 189, right? But it was around like this area right here, right? 189 selling for a cent higher. Obviously, a few more cents higher. I just didn't want to risk it, just because again it's just choppy. As you can tell, it got rejected off of WeVap and just tanked, right? APVO, same thing. I think this one I tried to get him in 250 shares just because I didn't trust it. And obviously there's no volume. It's kind of dead right now. It may pop up later and push through WeWap, but who knows, right? But I'm not going to risk it. JAKK, it's another former runner. I didn't take it just because it was a bit more on the expensive side and it was very whippy. Again, look at these whips, the upper wicks and bottom wicks. So that's something I like to stay away from. Just because of one big candle, from like, let's say from 575 all the way to 560, that's a 15-cent drop. Even over here, 575 all the way to 546. So 20-30 cents drop for this stock is nothing. So I try to stay away from things like that. Let's see what else. AMBO, this just died off all day today. Jack, same thing. So yeah, I mean, pretty much, things were just choppy today. If we look at the overall market real quick, let's say we look at the SPY real quick. If you see the SPY, it had to move up and then it tanked down, right? So this might be due to, obviously the elections, but It's better to have position with cash and no positions in the market when the market is not in your favor. Preserve your capital. You can always come back and day trade tomorrow. So overall, for me, let me pull up my P&L real quick. So for the day today, I'm down 209, which is, I keep my daily loss at anywhere from 0.5% to 1% max. That's it. And this is about 0.007% of my account. So that's a rule that I respect a lot, and I make sure, I stay by it. As you can tell, again, RIG, I was red. DDD was my biggest loss, $115. BBGI made, cool money. APVO and ALSK. So I was red across pretty much almost all the stocks. So that's when you got to step back and think about it. Is it really worth it to come back up or risk, more money and spiral down a big loss? So that's pretty much it from me. Definitely subscribe and like the videos. That way I can keep making these recaps. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.